So yes, Hagrid's. It is a good ride. It really is good. Opening weekend. We were there for about 6 hours. There was rain delays, there was technical delays. It actually got to a point to where in the caves, everybody just laid down and went to sleep. So, it was definitely an experience we'll never forget. But they've worked the bugs out. It's been over a month now. It's opening regularly with the park. It's staying open longer. It's running longer. It's breaking down less. The only thing you have to worry really about is the weather. But no, we rode it on opening weekend. About 6 hours with all the technical difficulties. It wasn't necessarily the line of people. It was the technical problems and the weather. We rode it at night in the front seat at night. It was totally worth it. It was an out-of-body experience. It was amazing. It was just amazing. We got stuck on it for about 5 minutes in the drop. Right at the drop, on the drop where you go straight down. And in a dark room with werewolves howling in the background, and look up and you see track over you, and 5 minutes is a long time to be stuck thinking trains will come fall on your head. And so once we got off, they asked if we wanted to do it again, and we were crazy to not do it again, because it was like 11:30, it was or 11 something, it was late, and we were so tired, we didn't even ride it again. And so still, when we get to the part in the Forbidden Forest where you drop, we still kind of hope and pray that everything works out. So overall, epic ride, not to be missed at all. Ride it in the front, ride it at night. Your life will never be the same. Look what happened to me.
Universal Studios parking garage in the rain, and it's raining. You're not gonna find a lot of stuff to do. You have to just sit around. So, Hagrid's call 307. Raining. Hopefully it'll get out of here pretty soon.
Because of that, you have to flap your arms like a bird. Flap your arms like a bird and just paw at the sky as loud as you can. Let's hear your best.
And rain delay.
Wow, that's very quiet. I don't know if I'll get it. Yeah. They make more of like a sound.
Straight to the bank. And we have a rain delay. Lockers.
Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? No.
Is this the address?
We are currently closed at the moment for the weather.
Right.
There is no specific line. The entrance will be right over here, but we don't have a line that's.
And there's the test seats. So that's what the seats are like. She should fit on the top.
That's all right, as long as everything. If
Actually, if you want to stand up, please, and then as you sit, pull it with you. As you sit, yep.
Doesn't sound like they have AC running. Someone just came out saying it was hot in there.
Everybody hold hands. We're fixing to move.
What do you mean? Are we fixing to go to? Fixing to go in?
Yes.
Okay.
If you have to use a lever, we're headed into this way. Please, again, we are friends. So slowly as possible. This way.
Okay, it almost says that way.
Keep walking.
And then that.
Watch out. Don't get in front of me.
Okay. Going into the fourth. And they're going into the fourth.
Watch out. Get in front of me. Kaylin, you're getting in front of me. Why don't you let me go in front?
Okay. Whoa!
Listen, we kind of picked up with my mom. She's over here.
Hey, where's Mom at? Yep.
No. What? She's coming. Really? Right here, hold this for me.
Put the umbrella.
I got that.
Get under the umbrella.
Can I pick this up?
Wait till we get inside.
Cool. Hell yeah, heck.
I see my burning up.
We're starting in here today. Then go to the outbuilding. Turn head out and see the streets. And you're going to fucking lure one to trials.
Not yet, hold on. Here, Jamie.
Gotta see it.
Oh, there's a It's in there. Rain was the longest delay, the longest part.
Get ready. You'll see.
Here's the dueling dragons. The dueling club. There's red.
Squeeze it, many people remember. Has kindly agreed to help with getting you around.
Wingardium Leviosa. Happens asked me to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to the edge of the forest.
Yes, and that's where I shall be showing some blast-ended screws. Before they all kill each other. That long frost. And I've got some Cornish pictures for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Grab that.
Jimmy! Well, that's just marvelous, Arthur.
No. I think we're ready.
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering to the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's do that.
Careful, Harry. Your dragonfly is for emergencies only.
Merlin, Pete! Let's get them back to the cave. Come on. My one! Salamanders, they feed on flames, you know. They do. I wasn't planning to show them to you today, though. Ow! Put me down! No! Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur. That dragonfire could not have been smoother. Well, apart from me, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Yeah. Let's leave this to me.
I'm empty. Fine. No. We'll be there for that. Better transcribe on these pictures. Oh, now don't you worry about this. I'll see you all down there.
place instead.
So in the next ride, I ride with Kara and. You're gonna ride with Kara or Matt? Which one?
Looks like maybe finally. Finally, after who knows how long.
After 3 hours.
Snack part there.
Everybody was slow.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess we can.
They knew that was going on. So they set a snack bar back down here. So when you're walking, you can eat chips. Dude, this is probably the exit.
Just the water. I wanted something to drink, but I don't want water. All right. Let's see what she's got in the cart. We'll start moving in like 30 minutes when they get the ride back up.
Guys, if y'all want to
Now I know how Kara likes to singing.
so Rex.
And it goes into another hallway. Oh, surprise. More cave.
An actual cave.
No one knows.
everything, right?
Yeah, you should.
Leave it right there when they're done. They'll come. When they're done.
Are you doing Kyle Shop?
Yeah.
Or are you staying with them?
Yeah, I'm staying with him. They're already in line.
I'm gonna give you one of these. Do you want to ride afterwards as well?
Yeah, I'll ride back.
Okay, so when they that was a little faded. So sorry about that. So when they come back and they come to this room,
So right here.
and you go to ride again, show it to me if I'm here. If someone else is here, show it to them. And they'll let you into the trial zone. Okay? So then you can just switch.
All right. Thank you. All right, we're going here.
See something?
Yeah, look at this. This is like.
There. We were under that.
What, you just stopped?
Yeah, we.
Sound effects.
It was definitely really good at night. It was great at night because you couldn't see where you were going, man.
Bad thing is, I couldn't hear the remote.
I didn't see. Did you see the one set?
Y'all, no, man. There's a bunch of different tracks on there, man.
No.
A bunch of different tracks.
And there's also. Are you still recording?
Yes, I'm just getting some shots.
Nothing.
Oh, and then Gavin said he was sorry for sending everything back to me. Except.
But ask what time it is.
No, just give me. Come here.
Then it's still 11.
Go out here and light it.
So 10 till 11. We got here at 3. So